If you can't afford it, you're a big liar. Hey guys, I'm Irfan and I'm the owner of the Crunchies Nyummy. Crunchies Nyummy. So today I'm gonna tell you about my own business and my product. But before that, please follow my Instagram account right over here. This is my business Instagram account, and you can check everything there, all of my product. Okay, so let's start. Basically, my business is not that big because I started doing my business in this year, early on this year. So don't expect that I have a big profit, I have a big sales volume, and so on.
Bruh.
But my business is going very well. I achieve every month's profit, target's profit, and it makes me happy. And it makes you happy too because I can eat my product. I already give you a hint what product that I sell. It's like a food because I say that you are happy to eat my product, right? Okay, just proceed. Okay, so let me tell you about my product. Yes, it's a food. It's a snake actually. You can eat it. When it comes into your mouth, it will sounds like crunch, creep, creep like that. It's so scrumptious. Believe me, you need to try it. Okay, so my product is the snakes. Its name is NZ Crunchies. Yeah, this is my product. Okay, it's beautiful outside and scrumptious inside. Yeah, you know what? This product can satisfy, can fulfill your stomach. Okay? Yeah, even though you are gonna say that you don't want to buy it, but your stomach needs it. Okay? Yeah, the price for a jar is 13 ringgit, only 13 ringgit. If you can't afford it, you're a big liar. Okay? Don't afraid to buy it. Just do it. You know? Just do it. Because you know what? What's the point of living if you don't want to try it? What's the point of living? Trust me, you will never regret. Once you buy it, you'll buy it every single day. Trust me. Actually, don't buy it. You will lose all of your money for me. Trust me. Okay. So this product, we have 4 types of flavor. Number 1 is salted egg. Second one is chocolate supreme. The third one is cheese primo, and the last one is chicken floss. All of that is good, not for you but for your stomach. Oh, this is stomach, this is chest. Okay, for your stomach, not mine, yours. Okay, just grab it one, try it. You will never regret it. Oh, you don't want to buy it? Here it come again. And feel this punch straight into your face. Don't want to? Please consider to buy it. That's all. Thank you.